Good morning, guys. It's 3 o'clock. Amber's here.
Hi.
I did say in the update video that I was considering doing a travel vlog, so here it is. Welcome. This is the travel vlog for Phantasialand.
And it's super early.
Yeah, it's really early. I've had 2 hours sleep because I don't sleep very well anyway, especially not before a big flight that I'm excited for. So you didn't sleep much this time, did you?
I had 3 hours sleep plus a full stomach because I had 2 ham sandwiches before I went to bed.
No, you went to bed, woke up again. Well, you didn't even sleep, did you? And then you decided to make a ham sandwich and I made toast, so... Yeah, there's that. So, yeah, this is us leaving the house, and we'll see you at the airport. We're at Manchester Airport. I've never been here before. Nor have you, have you?
Never ever.
No, so we're flying from Manchester to Dusseldorf? Dusseldorf today. And then we're actually flying back from Cologne later, when we're coming back. So we booked 2 different flights because it worked out cheaper that way, wasn't it?
Yeah,
it was just easier for us travel-wise to do that. But yeah, we'll catch up with you when we're inside the terminal. Hello. Got through, what is it, custom? I don't know what it is. Bag check, basically. Got stopped for a random search. Again, I always do. I always get targeted and then had a pat down.
It's so scary.
Yeah, it's scary, but
Needs to be done.
Yeah, it has to be done. Rather have more security than less at the end of the day. But yeah, we're gonna go look for our gate and get some food and stuff. What are you drinking, Amber?
Multivitamins.
Multivitamins.
It's quite nice.
Is that actually any good?
Yeah, it just tastes like apple juice, apple squash.
Apple squash. Amber, the real question is, have you seen our plane?
It might not be our plane.
I'm hedging all my bets on it.
It might not be our plane.
Are we boarding yet?
No, we have to wait for the seat.
How are you feeling?
Excited. How are you feeling?
Worried. So we've arrived in Dusseldorf, well, in the Dusseldorf airport, and we're actually heading, sorry, the camera went a bit weird then, we're actually heading to the SkyTrain to go over to the Flughafen train station.
Yeah, Dusseldorf Flugheim.
You're bad at words. She's really bad at words. But yeah, we're heading over there.
That's where
getting
we're
the
going.
SkyTrain. It's up there. Ooh. And then from there we're getting a train all the way to
Bruhl. And then from Bruhl,
we get the Phantasialand bus. Yeah. So, pretty simple trip, and we'll show you the way. Yep, there we go. Not sure we're on the right one,
Well, we're on the train. I think they're buying tickets, but we already bought tickets in advance, so...
Yeah.
But no one wants to be in our carriage. Everyone wants to be in the other carriage.
That's because we're English.
Yeah, but look, oh, it's so cute. Oh.
Oh, yeah, I think we are going the right way.
Oh, look.
Oh, look at this. Here we go. For a train, aren't we, Amber?
Yeah, should be here in 7 minutes.
7 minutes. Yeah, our train's at like 10:50, so obviously Germany's like an hour in front, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's actually like 9:50 in England. We were up at 2. It feels so long ago.
Yeah.
It seems mad how early you have to get up for a plane, for like flights. We'll be there soon, and we'll catch up with you along the journey. Hello.
Hi.
You're on the train now.
Yay.
Luckily, it's literally one stop. Well, not one stop,
It's
but
one
like
train.
it's just one train
And then it's
for
the
us. Really
Phantasialand
simple
bus.
journey, yeah.
It's like 45 minutes on the train.
So
and
yeah,
then 20
straight
minutes
to
on the bus.
Bruhl, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then from there we just pick up the Phantasialand bus. So it's a pretty simple journey. So
It's just that bit we waited like 35 minutes, but we
Yeah.
wanted to be safe and sorry.
it's a sort of easier journey than if you go to Cologne, because Cologne has a couple of stops, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, on the way back, we're going from Cologne Airport.
Yeah, so should be pretty simple, but
But this
yeah.
one's really easy. Like, if you can't go to Cologne, then go here.
Yeah. We have checked the queue times before actually getting to Phantasialand. Seems pretty busy today, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So what, like RiverQuest is like 90 minutes.
But then that's always got
But
massive.
yeah, I think it's the hot weather. It's like 24 degrees out here at the
Chapas
moment.
is closed.
Yeah, Chapas is closed, but hopefully it'll reopen later. As you can see, I've ditched the hat. I'm quite warm now, so.
But you're still wearing black.
Still wearing all black for some reason. It just fell together this
What a
morning.
choice.
Yeah, as you can see, it's all. What can you do? What can
It's
you do?
slimming.
I don't know. Slimming. Yeah. 'Cause I need that, don't I? Oh dear. Hello. We managed it.
On the bus.
What was it, like €3 each, wasn't it?
Yeah, 3 years each, and if you're coming back on the same day, it's a return, automatic. So £3 single, £3 return.
It's brilliant. But we're on our way. We'll be at Phantasialand in what, like 15 minutes or so.
15 minutes.
So
It's a bit hot on this bus though.
yeah, it's very sweaty. Yeah, we'll catch you at Phantasialand, and then hopefully we can get into our hotel room, and I'll do a bit of a little tour just to end the vlog, and we'll see you then. Hello. Welcome to the end of the travel vlog. We've been travelling quite a while. We've actually been on park since I'm filming this now, but our room wasn't ready, so I kind of wanted to wait to end the vlog. to show you the room because it's actually quite nice. We're in Hotel Ling Bao. Amber's here. Hello. She got given a present actually for your birthday, didn't you? What did you get given, Amber?
A little badge.
A little badge. So what does it say?
I think it says it's my birthday.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
And I got some cute little like smellies.
Like incense, isn't it? Yeah.
It's cute, just for my birthday.
That's quite nice.
You know me, I love my presents.
Yes, you do. Yeah. But anyway, let's show you the room. So hello, there's me. You've got a TV up here. Obviously, a nice mirror there. Double bed here. Germany do a weird thing with their covers. You get an individual cover each. You're quite happy about that because you blame me for stealing covers.
Because you do.
I don't. Nice lamp here, obviously. Plugged down on the wall here, so there we go. It's nice and lovely, that one. Switches here. They turn things on. That turned that off actually. Thermostat on the wall. I just don't really know how to work these, so I don't tend to play with them much, but it's quite cold in this room, so I might have to play with it a little bit later. But here we go. We've also got wardrobe space, got some towels up here, not curtains, clothes hooks, things like that. Obviously an inventory laundry service sheet there. Amber's now looking in the bathroom, she's shutting me in. Let's come around. Here we go, this is the first time I've seen this. Lovely shower here, look at this, this is gorgeous, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Lovely kind of, almost walk-in, sort of like faux walk-in, and then obviously, you know, you've got your settings there. I'm not going to turn that on too much right now. What do you think, Amber?
I love this bathroom. Look at the sink.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, it's got one of these kind of more wash basin-y style things. Very nice. Obviously, you've got your vanity mirror here attached to the wall. Lovely. It's quite nice. Hello. Yeah. Shoe polish. They always give that, and a sewing kit. Because you don't know when you might need a sewing kit. Obviously, yeah, little bits of information, but I love this style here. It's still got the glass behind this that you can see, but lovely kind of like Chinese Oriental kind of theming. Got little shutters there I'm displaying. Yeah, bit creepy, isn't it though?
Yeah, but it's cool.
Lovely. I mean, last year we actually stopped in Hotel Matamba. I would rate Matamba higher than these rooms, mainly because we got a park view in Matamba, literally overlooking Black Mamba, which was gorgeous. I didn't think any other room would really beat that. So still a fantastic room. I really like it. Really nice kind of theming to it. So well, you like it, don't you, Amber?
I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah. So yeah, that's really it. We just wanted to show you the room. And we're gonna leave it there for this travel vlog. So I hope you liked the first travel log we've done. It was something I thought you might be interested in. So hopefully you did enjoy it. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up. Let us know what you think about the you know, the journey and the room down in the comments below, and we'll see you on the park.